Toyota Tacoma with lifetime powertrain warranty included. Call for details. Power door mirrors, power windows, rear step bumper, speed sensing steering, traction control, and traverse edge cloth seat trim. I knew that would get your attention. Now that I have it, let me tell you a little bit about this hardy, reliable 2011 Toyota Tacoma. The precision-tuned 4.0 L56 SMPIDOHC powerhouse delivers substantial horsepower and torque to get you where you need to go and fast. Designated by Consumer Guide as a 2011 compact pickup Best Buy. This Tacoma is nicely equipped with features such as anti-lock brake system brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM CD W6 speakers, anti-whiplash front head restraints, brake assist, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags,